You're going to love the 2013 Audi A5. This two-door, four-passenger coupe stands out among competitors in its class. Audi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Audi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, front dual-zone air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.